Hi everyone, good afternoon and welcome to this video. Today we're talking about referencing and citing our articles that we make use of in our abstract, be it our any of our write-up, either seminar write-up or project write-up up to thesis for those of us in master's level. So in making reference and citing of articles, what is common of we students is to go on to the article we want to cite or we want to make reference to. Then we copy the author's name just like this. Then we include the title and the year of the article in it, just as it is written here. Then to make the bibliography, we do write, just create a word a written text like this, and then we'll go on to the article that we want to copy. For example, let's say we want to make reference to this article that I use here, dynamic signaling between astrocytes and neurons. Then we copy the citation, okay, then we come back here to paste it. But I want to tell you that this method is wrong and it is not acceptable. It is not the acceptable way of making reference or citing, like in-text citing of articles used. So today I will be showing you how to make a standard acceptable reference to your articles in just some minutes, making use of the built-in reference manager in Microsoft Word. This is Microsoft Word 2016 that I'm using, but trust me, any of your Microsoft Word version that you are using, it has this tab in it, which is references. So for us to make reference to this article that I use here, this Arik et al. 2001, it is an article present in PubMed, and you can see it here. So let's get started without taking much of our time. So first thing first, let's clear this. This is wrong way of making reference. So we go to our reference tab, then we insert a placeholder. This placeholder will, okay, this is the place we want to place the citation of the article. So the placeholder, we name it with the name of the article or whatever you feel like you are using to identify the article. For here I use Arik, which is the name of the author. Then I've created a placeholder before with this name, so I can just write maybe one or two just to differentiate with the one I created before. So now this is Arik 1 2. So this is a placeholder that is going to let us know that okay, I want to make a citation to this written text. So from here now I can now edit the source, which is the main thing, and make reference to our articles. Okay, yeah, so the type of source, let me make it more clearer to you so you can see what we are doing in the background. Okay, this is the article I want to make reference to. So from here I can edit the source. So you choose the type of source, which is an article. You can choose from we have different source. We have book, we have journal, we have some other things like websites and stuff like that. So this is an article and we are choosing article for here. And also the author, which is the author of the author of the article. It is a research work and there are 3 in number. You have this Arik and this. So how do you go about this? The last name, let me view the full text of the article, so it is going to make it clearer for us. Yeah, this is the full text of the article. So the last name, Arik, so you can paste it here. Then the first name is what? Afonso. You can just copy everything and just paste, just to save our time. So for the second author, we have this as his last name. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, then Giorgio, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Okay. Then as for the third author, we have Aidon. His first name is what? Philip. Then he has a middle name which is not fitting, but you can still copy it, which is letter G. So once you are done with the author's name, you click on OK. The author's name can be more than this, can be up to 3, can be 4, can be 5, can be up to 6, can be as much as the article show, the numbers of scientists that work on the research work. So since we have just 3 here, we've included a name here, then we click on OK. So everything has been written here. So what's the title of the research work? This is the title here: dynamic signaling between astrocytes and neurons. We copy it, then we paste just to save our time. Dynamic signaling should be in capital letter. Dynamic signaling. Dynamic signaling. Between astrocytes and neurons. Alright, what's the journal name? You can get the journal name from here. It is written here. This is Annual Review of Physiology. It is shortened. But for those of us that cannot understand maybe the shortened version of the article journal name, we can just copy it and search online. It is going to bring out the full text of the journal name. But from this abbreviation, this is Annual Review of Physiology. Then what year it is? This is 2001. It is written here, my guys. This is 2001 article. So you include the year 2001, and then the page is 795 to 803. 795 to 813. Alright, so now we're done. Then we click on OK. So from here, you've seen our citation here. Because the authors are just 3, so it is going to be Arik, Caminoton, and Aidon, 2001. So once they are more than 3, like 4 authors, 5 authors, then we have Arik et al. 2001. So once you are done with this, we can now make our reference. Go back to our reference, then bibliography. You can choose references. So automatically, this is not part of it. Automatically, it's going to be written. It's going to be written here automatically. It's going to be generated for us automatically behind the last page of the article. But since we're having a page written text here, it is the reference is just added to the page. But once you have more than a lot of pages, like our seminar used to be, our project work, the reference is going to be at the last page. So everything has been written here for us. So this is a standard way of making reference to the articles we use in our write-ups. So thank you very much for your time, for everything. If you have any other question you want to ask, or any other thing that is not clear to you, you can just type it out in the comment section. And also, I will also be posting more videos of how to go about making things easier for us. Like there's another way of making reference to the articles we use. In this time around, we are making use of a third party reference manager. This app is capable of at least like collecting a lot of articles, even more than the built-in reference manager in Word, Microsoft Word. So thank you very much for your time. I hope this video make things helpful for you.